In this video, I'll show you how you can easily clone your voice professionally in just 3 minutes. It sounds unbelievable, very scary, but it's incredibly fun and has an incredibly good benefit. You go to the website www.effortlessly.io. There, click on the top where it says His. Then you can either sign in with a Google account or use a username, which is an email address, and a password. I can show you this with a Google account, then I have to agree here. I'll continue. Now we need to enter the name here. What's my first name? It's Marcel.
And how did I hear about you? I heard about you from YouTube, and then I said next.
I am going to personalize news here now and do this. I am already in here, and you see there is actually text in here already and so on, because I have already played around a bit, even a bit more. But we want to go here on the side of voice because we want to create a new voice. And then we select add generative or clown voice. Then we say instant voice cloning here. Take all the revenues. We take Marcel for the tutorial.
And then you actually have two options. Either you can upload video files or audio files of yourselves talking. And if you don't have that available, you can simply make an audio recording. To do this, you just click here on Whack It and then on this funny microphone symbol up here. The moment I click on that, it starts recording your voice directly. If you have any questions, write them in the comments below. It's important to use a good microphone for this recording. Otherwise, it won't be enjoyable and you'll have background noise in your voice, which you don't want. All I have to do now is click on Advice down here. Now my instantly cloned voice is already done, which I can try out now. This means I just go to Just here, again under Voices. You see, we're still in the Voices tab. I just click on Just. Then it will be placed directly here for me. I have the 11 multi-language model v2 settings here, and there are also various other settings available.
At that moment, just as we are about to hear now, everything is on standard.
And the whole thing can simply be generated down here by just saying Genuade here.
Welcome to the AI Knowledge Hub, your gateway to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Discover how AI expands the boundaries of what is possible in medicine. You can see this sample is already very good, and I have not made any fine-tuning yet. You can still fine-tune at this point, but there is a new video for that, as it will otherwise simply be too long. But you can clone a voice, your own voice, to use it for anything. It's super easy. It's super fast. Yes, it costs money, but the data is also safe and you can use the things properly. And there's a service that works. If you like the video, then leave a like. And if not, just press the dislike button twice. Also, I'm super excited about comments and questions, and subscribing is simply free. Totally awesome, and you won't miss anything. By the way, YouTube has also selected a great video for you up here that matches your interests and is on my channel. That way, you would watch another video of mine and could like and comment again. Mega. I wish you a lot of fun with it. That's the algorithm you have to deal with, you have to deal with, you have to deal with.